The holidays might be over, but the Christmas clearance sales are ongoing, and boy, have I been making good use of them, including creating this beautiful winter owl wreath, which is just absolutely darling. Let me show you how it's done. I started with a 24-inch wreath that I got on clearance, and I thought, okay, these owls, which I did get from eBay, they're going to be my highlights. We need to start with those and figure out what else we want. I have some fall clearance deco mesh and some kind of matte, soft, cottony deco mesh that's going to go in, and then I have a ton of clearance sprays, pins, and picks. We're going to work with all of it. The white deco mesh went in first. It is a shorter roll, but that's okay. We have plenty of this fall deco mesh that kind of had that soft brown in it that I think is going to make the owls pop. Of course, I always check to make sure my feature items still have their space, and then we move on. These fun corally-like picks are actually from clearance several Christmases ago, but they added so much height to the outside, I had to use them, and they were a perfect color. I went in next with some of these berry sprigs and white ferns, and then the frosted gold berries to add texture and dimension. Christmas 2020, 2021, not sure, I picked up these white roses from Michael's, and you can kind of tell they have just a hint of shimmer to them, but they were a perfect addition to this kind of wintry wreath, paired with that thin ribbon that you might see that's kind of weaving in and out throughout the design. That actually is from Hobby Lobby clearance Christmas this year, and it has a lovely sparkle to it and a very tight spring to make those organic shapes so naturally. All right, friends. Well, thanks so much for decorating with me today. I'm Alessandra. I hope you get to try making your own hand at a winter wreath this year. Make sure to tag me on Instagram if you do. Shop your collection. You don't have to buy everything new. What's in your storage unit? Shop your tree from last year. I'm sure you can put together something absolutely beautiful.